Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to keep track of your health and wellness, understanding your body mass index, BMI, is a great place to start. In today's video, we're diving into some of the best BMI calculator apps available for Android. These apps are designed to help you easily compute your BMI, set health goals, and gain insights into your overall fitness. Let's jump in and explore the top options that can help you on your wellness journey. BMI Calculator Ideal Weight. BMI Calculator Ideal Weight is a user-friendly app that helps users easily calculate their body mass index, BMI, and assess their ideal weight based on height and age. The app offers a straightforward interface where users can input their height, weight, age, and gender to receive an instant BMI calculation. It then categorizes the result into various ranges, such as underweight, normal weight, overweight, and obesity, providing valuable insights into health status. Additionally, the app includes features that allow users to track their BMI over time, set weight goals, and understand the implications of their BMI results with helpful tips for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. BMI Calculator App. BMI Calculator App provides a comprehensive way to assess your body mass index quickly and accurately. This app features a sleek design and easy navigation for inputting height and weight, as well as optional fields for age and gender to enhance the accuracy of results. Users receive instant feedback on their BMI and a detailed explanation of what the numbers mean. The app also includes additional resources, such as tips for healthy living, dietary recommendations, and exercise suggestions based on an individual's BMI category. Overall, it's a great tool for users wanting to keep track of their health and fitness journey effectively. BMI Calculator Android. BMI Calculator Android is a simple yet effective app designed specifically for calculating BMI with minimal effort. The app emphasizes ease of use, allowing users to input their measurements quickly and get immediate results. After calculating BMI, it categorizes the results and provides insightful feedback on what the numbers indicate regarding weight health. This app also includes a history feature, enabling users to track their BMI changes over time and adjust their health goals accordingly. Its no-frills approach makes it particularly appealing for users who prefer a straightforward tool without additional complexity. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of the best BMI calculator apps helps you find the right tool to monitor your health effectively. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and app recommendations. Which app are you planning to try first? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time.